Hi guys, this is so exciting. I have found the one item that when I looked through DollarTree.com, I said, if I find anything, I want it to be this one. If you are new to my channel, I feel like I wait until this part of the year to start doing my favorite kind of DIYs, which is holiday decor, all of that stuff, and I really love focusing on doing like Dollar Tree versions of it. So I have already started, and Christmas playlist is going to be at the end for you and down below. But because of that, the reason why I'm saying this piece is because my videos need to be a little bit shorter, just because I have a lot going on and I want to enjoy the holidays as well. So Dollar Tree haul, let's dive into it. Honestly, not even gonna make you wait to see the item that I was referring to, but you guys, I found the mugs. As soon as I saw this on DollarTree.com, I was like, that's it, I'm done. What? How stinking adorable is this? I got two. I had to get two because I thought to myself, if anything ever happened to the first one, like, I just don't know that Dollar Tree will put these out again next year. So I got myself a backup. And I love that it's not like a background pattern, because what Dollar Tree tends to do with that is it cuts it off right here. So then it just looks cheap and not finished. So I love that there's not a background color, but there's like a red stripe all the way around, and the tree or the truck even says Merry Christmas, or no, it says Be Merry. Next items didn't know this was planned, didn't know it was coming out, but they have put out some brand new boxes, brand new shapes, if you will. They've been doing more like longer boxes. These definitely remind me of something that you would put like wine bottles in, but they're great just for anything that obviously would fit in here, and I think it's beautiful. Brace yourselves, they didn't stop there. Why? That's the new question, not what, why? This is actually the only version of the plaid stockings that I got. You guys know I love plaid, but it still wasn't my favorite of the three boxes. But I still think it's beautiful. It looks more expensive than $1. It looks like this is something you would see at Hobby Lobby. And here are the little cars. And as you can see, I think, yeah, they're all three different sizes. $1. What? Why? So this is just such a beautiful backdrop. I think it's stunning. I think it's just so well made. It's really cute. There's no color lining the inside, but that's okay. It does have just like a different kind of shape. It's not like a perfect square or perfect rectangle, and I love that. I love that it's a completely new shape. And then I also fell in love with the snowman version. So these have to be my second favorite, the cars being my first, and the stockings being my third, just in case you're wondering just which ones I like the best. And I just love the snowman for some reason. The background kind of has like he's up against, you know, a farmhouse fence, and I think that's really pretty. And the trim again has like that wood effect, and he's wearing a scarf, and I love the pop of green. I think that was genius. It was really great to kind of break up all of that red. Up are going to be some really cute plates that they made for the intention of probably cookies and milk for Santa. I love it. It's probably, I think they could have done like the trucks, the same print that they had on the boxes, and that would have just been to die for. But I really love this one. They definitely have this whole hot cocoa with the whipped cream and gingerbread going on at Dollar Tree. And then of course Santa, and they both say cookies for Santa. So I think that's really cute. So if you need to get yourself a cute little plate, I mean $1, like, you just can't beat that. I found some really cute ornaments. They've been killing it with ornaments lately. The one thing that I feel like they could do better is put out those deer ornaments. Way back when I did my first Christmas DIYs, I've been obsessed with those, but they haven't put them back out. I love how Santa is a completely separate chipboard, so I'm loving how they're layering him. As you can see, even his mustache is an additional layer on top of that. And then they did the same thing with the little tree. It's an extra little chip board, and then the snowman. One of the little trucks. I've already hauled these, but I don't think I got enough, and like I mentioned, sometimes you just don't know if Dollar Tree is going to put something out the next year, and so I wanted to go ahead and secure myself like just another one just in case. And this one, now this style ornament has been at Dollar Tree for a couple years, and then they added this buffalo checkered plaid, which this looks really good. This whole mistletoe effect is really beautiful and does not look cheap at all. You can kind of see a little bit of hot glue, nothing that I can't, like right there, nothing that I can't like pick off a little bit. All right, next up are going to be some Christmas stickers. Here they are. I'm still kind of waiting for Dollar Tree to wow me with holiday and Christmas stickers, so I'm not quite there yet. They definitely wowed me with the window clings or the window decorations in my last haul, so I'll link that at the end for you as well. That was a wow factor for me. So I do love these, but I'm still kind of waiting for the year when I'm just like blown away. But this one, I was kind of very pleasantly surprised to find. It has a very vintage feel to it. And I think the quality of this is outstanding. $1. And this one is really cute too. It's kind of like a little nutcracker theme with some toys. And oh, I got 2 of these. So you know, when I like something, I buy them in doubles for some odd reason. And then this one has a little gingerbread theme. And the last 2 things are not Christmas related, and I'm sorry for the anticlimactic end here, but I got some double-sided Scotch tape, Scotch brand for double-sided tape. That was really interesting because up until recently it used to be like a Jot brand, and I love me some double-sided tape. If you're into planning or scrapbooking or friend card making and all that stuff, I think you need double-sided tape in your life. And then the very last thing is a new wall decorations. It's a cute little Paris theme, and if you've been watching my videos, you know I don't actually put these on my wall. I use them for planner stuff, but what really caught my eye was this: Paris is always a good idea. And this is one of my favorite quotes in Sabrina the movie. So that's really cute. And then look at the back with the gowns. What? Why? Alright guys, that is it for my haul. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry that I'm rushing the end, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you guys want to check out more videos, I have them tagged right here, the bottom left and the bottom right. And then I have the easy method for you to click subscribe if you want to join my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.